Hello friend, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. In this video, I'm going to explain that how you plan your MD course from Germany, how you plan your PG from Germany, how you complete your MBBS here in India, in Russia, China, Ukraine, from anywhere, and if you also complete your BDS, then how you plan your MD programs from Germany. First of all, you have to clear MCI here. After that, you have to focus on the German language levels. Initially, there is a requirement of German language. When you complete your A2 level, you can start process. You can forward your documents to Germany for your deficit beside. Deficit beside is a very mandatory document. Without this document, your visa file is not completed. Yes. So start German language and also forward your documents to Germany. When you complete your B1 level, then you forward your documents to Germany. In Germany, all your documents are translated by the recognized authorities. They calculate your theoretical practical hours on the behalf of all analyzation. They calculate your missing education part. When they calculate your missing education part on the behalf of that education part, they give you that you can get your deficit beside, and when you get this your deficit beside later, then your visa file is complete. And when you reach Germany, then you start your B2 and C1 level. Then after C1 level, then you have to clear your FSP exam. Then yes, there is a preparatory course for FSP. FSP is a fast perform, and after giving that FSP exam, you get a temporary license to work in Germany. And on the behalf of that, that temporary license valid for 2 years, and in between these 2 years you have to give the exam to get your permanent license there. And that for getting that permanent license, you have to give an exam that is called KP exam, Kenntnisprüfung, and that is the like abbreviation, that is also called an abbreviation test. Yes, after giving abbreviation test, you are eligible, you can get your permanent license, you are eligible to do job there in any hospital under any specialization. And after doing work 3 to 4 years there, you are eligible to get your MD certificate. When you do job there 3 to 4 years, after that you have to give exam Medical Council of Germany, then you get a certificate of your MD program, MD degree. Yes. And okay, let me explain what is FSP, what is KP. FSP is the exam. After giving FSP, you get a temporary license to work there. FSP is like a medical terminology course. You after giving FSP, they can check that how you learn the German language in medical terms or not. And what is KP exam? KP exam is that after giving KP exam, you get a permanent license to work there. After, with the help of KP exam, they are going to check that how knowledgeable you are in the medical terminology. Yes, so this is the whole procedure. And yes, these exams are viva exams, oral exams. Like if you I explain you the FSP exam pattern, it's a 1 hour exam and it divides into 3 parts: 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. In first 20 minutes, there are 3 persons in the one room. Now one is examiner, and number 2 is an actor who we can call, who act as a patient, and your profile is a doctor. That examiner examine that how as a doctor you communicate with the patient, and how you are going to understand his language, and how you diagnose that what the patients need. And in the second 20 minutes, there is an examiner, and yes, also there is a doctor, and it's a third person doctor, your profile is also in doctor. Then as a doctor, you have to communicate with the second doctor and explain all the patient's history in the German. And then again the examiner examine that in German language how you explain that patient history to the another doctor. And in third 20 minutes, that examiner and again there's a doctor, and they can examine that how you made the all documentation of the history of the patients, and yes, how you can write all the history of the patient. This is the way they can check your all stages, that you are completely eligible in medical terminology. You can easily learn all the medical First of all, you have to learn German language up to B2 level in India, then apply for deficit beside. Then you get the deficit beside. When you get the deficit beside, then you, with the help of that, your visa file is complete. Then you reach Germany. After reaching Germany, you learn B2 and C1. After B2 and C1, you have to clear your FSP exam. And after clearing the FSP exam, you get a license of 2 years to work here. And in between these 2 years, you have to prepare yourself for abbreviation test KP exam. And when you clear your Kenntnis Prüfung KP exam, then you get the permanent license to work in Germany. And after on that permanent license, when you do work in Germany 3 to 4 years, then you are eligible to complete to get a certificate of MD course. So for MD, this course is not as a written part you have to study in university, then you get this certificate of MD, not like that. If you search public university for your MD course, then it's not possible to get to you to search universities, because MD program is total practical course. It's a total practical viva. When you get the permanent license, then you work in hospitals according to specialization. On the behalf of that, work in hospital 3 to 4 years, 4 to 5 years. On the behalf of that, you are eligible to give the exam in Medical Council of Germany. When you clear that exam, then details in step by step. And still you have more queries, more confusions, you can call us directly, and you can visit our office also. Our contact details are 836 8027 66313. Thank you.